What's up, guys? I got a slow drain this morning. I put some of this Dayquil in there so you can see that it is definitely not draining. So every once in a while we got to do this. Usually it's for the wife because her hair comes out like crazy, but we got some Instaflo. Just if you just see it. Sprinkled all the way around here. I don't know if you can hear that, but the sizzling of burning hair. And it's definitely bubbling. There she goes. Nothing to it. You can get this at your local hardware store. It'll burn right through that hair and whatever other crud is in your pea trap.